My dear professional colleagues, as the new council year sets in, I am greatly humbled and inspired as I assume the baton of leadership as the 73rd president of this esteemed institute. It is indeed a matter of honor, pride and immense happiness for me to serve my alma mater. I share a very deep bond with the institute, and this institute is like my mother. At this moment, I extend my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to all those who have inspired and contributed to my journey. Friends, on the professional front, as you all may be aware that the Union Budget 2025 was tabled in the Parliament. Besides being a growth-oriented budget focusing on infrastructure and agriculture and reposing faith in the middle class for nation building, the Union Budget 2025 proposes new direct tax slabs and rates under the new income tax regime, ensuring that no income tax is required to be paid for total income up to 12 lakh rupees per annum. Furthermore, a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act was also a key agenda of the government. I am pleased to inform that ICAI's suggestions have been considered in the Finance Bill 2025 and the Income Tax Bill 2025. Some of these include tax exemptions on withdrawals from National Savings Scheme accounts, revision of Section 115 UA subsection 2, and the introduction of a simplified regime to ease compliance for small charitable trusts and institutions. Furthermore, in its suggestions for a comprehensive review, ICAI had identified 13 chapters containing about 130 sections in addition to another 134 sections and 9 schedules for elimination, all of which have been accepted. Friends, success is not just about technical expertise, it is about maintaining a balanced life. The demanding nature of the CA profession often leads to stress and burnout. To address this, we have established a committee on promoting work-life balance to ensure that our members and students cultivate habits that foster both professional excellence and personal well-being. Remember, true success lies in leading a fulfilling and well-rounded life. Moreover, we have also formed group on enabling lifestyle for environment and group on development of rural economy. Now, let me give you a quick snapshot of the events that happened during the last month in February. It gives me immense pleasure to state that ICAI magnificently celebrated its 75th anniversary on 2nd February 2025, which witnessed the esteemed presence of Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, Honorable Vice President of India, as the chief guest, and Shri N.D. Gupta, Honorable Member of Parliament and past President ICAI, as a guest of honor. I am happy to share that we at ICAI have inaugurated Center of Excellence Kolkata, first in EIRC and third all over India after Jaipur and Hyderabad on 7th February 2025. ICAI has also inaugurated ICAI Bhavan S. Janardhan Building in Bengaluru. Furthermore, to express concerns about the proposed modification in the Banking Law Amendment Bill 2024, which seeks to grant discretionary powers to public sector banks in determining the remuneration of their statutory auditors, a representation advocating for the fixation of auditors' remuneration by the Reserve Bank of India has been submitted to the Finance Minister. Recently, ICAI hosted a delegation from the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya, reinforcing our shared commitment to professional excellence. In a major step towards the global brand building of the Indian accounting profession, your institute has inaugurated 5 new representative offices in the USA, Kansas, Louisiana, Minnesota, Tennessee, and San Diego. With this expansion, ICAI now operates 52 chapters and 33 representative offices across 47 countries and 85 cities, reinforcing India's ascent in the global and accounting sector. I am proud to share that ICAI has been honored by the India Book of Records and Asia Book of Records for an extraordinary achievement, conducting 79 programs in a single day under the record title Maximum Programs Conducted on Entrepreneurship Skills in a Day. A great convocation ceremony was held simultaneously across 13 locations in India to confer membership certificates upon 19,075 newly qualified chartered accountants and honor rank holders, ushering them into a future of excellence and integrity. On this prestigious occasion, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal bestowed the esteemed Governor's Award of Excellence upon ICAI, acknowledging its remarkable contributions to the profession, ethical standards, and nation building. Notably, ICAI has made history as the first professional regulator in India to receive this prestigious recognition, marking a momentous milestone in its enduring legacy of excellence. Last month, I attended the 36th annual conference organized by the Abu Dhabi chapter of ICAI. Additionally, I addressed the participants at the 73rd annual award function of NIRC of ICAI. I also attended the panel discussion Beyond Spreadsheets, CFOs in Age of Tech Innovation as a session chairman at 3rd Vibrant Bharat CFO Summit and Awards held by ASSOCHAM. During the last 1 month, I had meeting with the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar Sahib, wherein matters related to key reforms and the profession were discussed. Moreover, I also had a meeting with Honorable CAG Shri K. Sanjay Murthy, Honorable Secretary MCA, Ms. Deepthi Gaud Mukherjee, and various other senior officials of C&AG and MCA, wherein discussions were held in the professional interest. Turning to the March 2025 issue of the Chartered Accountants Journal, it features the commencement of the Council Year 25-26. The journal highlights the Union Budget 25-26, and in addition to the inaugural report published in the previous issue, the current edition features a summarized report of the technical sessions of Day 2 and 3 of the World Forum of Accountants. Titled as Accountability Meets Innovation for a Sustainable Planet, it presents an overview of the proceedings of the event. Additionally, this edition features a brief report on the 75th annual function of ICAI, highlighting key moments from the event. Some insightful articles covering these vital areas are Union Budget 2025-26, Growth, Reforms and Fiscal Prudence, 4 Engines of Development, an analytical study of Union Budget 2025-26 towards Viksit Bharat 2047, the Finance Bill 2025, GST Amendment. With this communique, my dear friends, I am extremely grateful for all the love and support I have received from my fellow members, not only at this momentous occasion, but throughout my journey from being a student to a member and then the torch bearer of my beloved institute. I hope and believe that this love and support will continue in the years to come. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.